This is my review and detailed look at this lawn chair. And this, for me, I got the 2-pack, so I got 2 of these things. Here's why I love this. So it's summertime, my wife and I use this for the beach, and we use it for going to outdoor concerts, wineries, everything. These things are super compact. I'll show you how small it gets. I'm gonna show you a very useful tip on how to get this back into the bag that it comes with, because it can be tricky, but I'm gonna give you a tip that makes it super easy, at least in my opinion it does. So let's take a look at this. Here's how small it is, and when you open it up, you simply open it this way. I'm gonna give you a little safety tip here. If you're holding where I'm holding right now, you'll see that this part here slides down, so if you open that real fast, that is going to hit your hands. So I recommend when you open it up, you hold up top and you open it up like this. Then you spread it out as much as you can, and when you sit down, it is going to set itself into place. The quality of the material is fantastic. I mean, it's very thick and sturdy. The seat has a bit of padding to it, which makes it very comfortable, and it's strong. So I'm 6 foot 2 inches tall and I weigh 220 pounds, and this thing supports my weight with no problem. The quality of the metal is very good. It is kind of a powder coated metal, which I like. The way that this is connected, these are very sturdy here. I've had other lawn chairs in the past where these don't lock together as well. You can see how this gets locked into place, which is fantastic. Now here's some of the other features that you'll get with this chair. You've got a nice cup holder here, and over on this side, and I think this part's really cool, it has this double handled zipper. So you grab this tab, it pulls both the zippers at the same time. There's a piece of Velcro here, and inside here, there is a cooler. So you could put cans of soda in here. You could store extra ice in there if you wanted to, but when you're not using it, you just pull this down, press the Velcro, and now it's back to an armrest. If you need somewhere to put your phone or whatever else you are working with, it does have a little storage pouch here right on the side of the chair. The hardest part with using foldable lawn furniture, in my opinion, is getting them back inside of the bag that they came with. Now, before I show you that, I want to show you that the quality of this bag is very nice. Like, that's a nice heavy duty, water resistant material, and it has this drawstring, so when you're all done, you can just zip it up. And there's a nice little shoulder strap there as well. But getting the chair back inside of the bag can be a challenge, and I figured out the easiest way to do it. I think it's the easiest way. So what you're gonna do is fold the chair up, and again, I will hold up here rather than below, rather than down here, so I don't get my hands caught. So you squeeze this together. You kind of have to lift this up off the ground a little bit to do it. Now you're gonna wanna make sure all this padding is pressed in, so everything is compact as possible. And then here's my secret tip, and that is to simply turn this upside down, because this is so much easier to put back in the bag if it is upside down. I made a mistake on the first try, and I got these cord stuck inside of the legs, which is not good. Then you are in trouble, you can't close it up. So make sure this is out of the way before you put this back on. So that was my mistake. That cost me having to redo the whole process. But as you can see, that's not a big deal. If you don't get trapped like that, this is actually very simple to do. There we go. And now you just tuck everything that's left inside, like so. Grab our drawstring and close this up. I've got my trusty luggage scale, so I'm gonna put this through the bag while it's in the carrying case, so you'll know how much weight you'll have to carry around if you take this with you. So let's see what we get. And what do we get? It is 11.2. I double checked just to make sure. Yes, it's exactly 11.2 pounds. Easy to haul, easy to carry. I love these. My wife loves it too. So if you're looking for a great lawn chair, I highly recommend these. If you'd like to grab a set of these, there's a link in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions, and please don't forget to hit like on the video, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.